How to enable time-sensitive notifications on your iPhone. Time-sensitive notifications allow important alerts, such as reminders or delivery updates, to reach you immediately, even when focus mode is enabled. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Notifications. Next, scroll through the list and select the app you want to customize. For this example, I'll choose Books, but you can follow the same steps for any app that supports time-sensitive notifications. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Then, turn on the Time-Sensitive Notifications toggle. Once enabled, eligible notifications from that app can be delivered immediately, even when a compatible focus mode is active, helping you avoid missing important alerts. If you don't see the time-sensitive notifications option, it may be because the app doesn't support this feature, or your iPhone is running an older version of iOS. And that's it. You've successfully enabled time-sensitive notifications on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.